Good afternoon, how's it going? We are in Chinatown, Kuala Lumpur. Christiana just ordered us a Grab, which has just arrived, I think. Yep, that's the one. And we are moving to another part of the city where we are nearly doing 6 months of travel, and we're going to treat ourselves. Oh, it's a lady. It's a taxi. It's a taxi lady. Hello, hello. My bag has to go out the back. Small cars, big cities. As I was saying, 6 months of travel already has gone really fast. Had so much amazing experiences, met so many people. It's been great.
It's been great.
Yes, and now we are about to relax. We've rented out an Airbnb. We're gonna relax for 2 days with something really insane.
A treat.
A very good treat. Terima kasih.
That's the only thing you know in Malaysian, isn't it?
Terima kasih and sama-sama, which is looks fancy.
Looks fancy.
Ooh. This looks like a posh place.
I know. What is this place?
Look at this. What? Look at this. Who doesn't love a good place once in a while?
Look at the size of the doors.
Bloody hell. So we just checked in. This is our room.
Oh, look. Wait.
Open it. Ooh, oh, Petrona Towers. Amazing view. An amazing room.
I'm happy. Well happy with this.
This is a proper bedroom view. We've got a private bathroom. Ooh, nice shower. And look at the space. It's big, you can run over here.
Oh, the bed is good. We deserve this.
We came downstairs. We're gonna buy a few stuff that we need. A bit of shopping, some basic stuff. How's the apartment, Christiana?
It has to be the best apartment we've ever stayed.
Yeah.
During our whole trip in Asia, that has to
A whole
be the
lifetime,
best.
I think.
Oh, probably that as well.
Yeah. But we still got a huge surprise to show you afterwards.
Oh yeah. João couldn't resist the fish and chips, so we had to come and try out this.
How dare
place.
you? You wanted fish and chips as well?
No.
Who could resist this? Dory. So what have we bought? Well, we still need to pay for it.
Natural yogurt,
Mm-hmm.
some mangoes, papaya, jackfruit and porridge.
No, star fruit.
Stuff it.
Yeah, star fruit and some porridge. It's already dark now. We went for healthy sides of fruits and yogurts. We're going back to our apartment. Oh, what is this? Beautiful. Best view.
Ever.
With the lights off, it's much better.
Yeah, I want to sleep like this tonight. The curtains open, looking outside.
What a beautiful view over the Patrona Towers. And it's panoramic. It's like half of the room. Switch it off. Look. Boom. It's nearly 180 degrees. Turn it on. We are on the lift now. When we said we were going for something special, we meant it. We are going for the 37th floor.
Here we are.
We made it.
It's warm.
That's right, it's an infinity pool and we love it. Infinity pool, look at this! Best day ever. Best swimming pool. Look at that. And we can see the Patrona Towers on our infinity pool. How wonderful. You can see the smile on our faces. Clap, 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 clap. Jump! Hey! You look like the penguin.
Boy, I wanna get to know you. Give me all you got, let's make moves. I'm not trying to take things slow. Wherever you want, let's go. Can you ride for me? Get so fly for me. Show me you can lead. Don't shy away. You got a passion inside, and I'm really fucking with your lifestyle. Trying to go across the world on the world.
How many years shall we stay here?
For the rest of our lives?
Forever. We know what you're thinking, that probably we paid a lot of money for this and it's only for the wealthy people, for the rich ones, but you're wrong.
Yep, we actually found this place on Airbnb and we paid peanuts for this. £17, around £17 per night. We stayed for 2 nights and this was actually the most expensive place we've stayed since we started our travels.
We've got affiliation link on the description below, which you get £25 off your first booking. So you go over there and use it, and you can stay in a place like this for less than £20 per day.
Peanuts!
Yeah, we're gonna finish it over here now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
Goodbye!